Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to make a sphere in SketchUp without using any plugins or extensions. So to do so, we have to use the follow up command. This is the follow me command, sorry. So follow me command helps you to make many different items and many different designs, so that in which you have to give a particular path and a particular surface to be followed in a particular path. So let me show you how using this command I will make a sphere. So first of all, you use circle C, and as it is just a tutorial, I will make it of any dimension this way. Now what I will do, I will select this whole circle, double click on it, and I will rotate it as well as copy it. So rotate in such a way that you get a rotation for 90 degree. Control, so that you can copy it this way. Now what I have to do, I don't need this surface, click it outside. Now click on the surface only one time and press delete. So this outline of the circle is your path and this is your surface. So first of all, select the path, both the path, and then click on the follow me command, and then click on the surface, that is circle, and see, this way you can create a sphere. Sometimes this type of things may come, you don't have to worry about it. And this way I can make a sphere without using a plugin, or else what you have to do, you have to download a plugin from SketchUp extension and then you can make. But in a beginner time, I won't advise you to use any plugin, so that is why I am doing this lecture. So this way I can make a sphere using the follow me command and without using any plugin. So now using the same way I can make something elliptical using the follow me command. So for that, what I will do, I will again make a circle. This is related to any dimension. Now again I will copy it and rotate it. So select the rotate command and rotate it in such a way that it comes as a 90 degrees. Delete this surface, and for our surface, select it, and to make it elliptical, use scale command. Press Ctrl while scaling, so that you do the scale with respect to your center of the ellipse. This elliptical is our surface and this circle is our path. Select your path first, select the follow me command, and then select the surface. So this way I can make an elliptical 3D without using any plugin in SketchUp. Now let's move one step forward. Let's try to make a egg shape. Again I will use the circle command. Select the circle, double click on it, rotate it in such a way while pressing the Ctrl, so that a 90 degree comes. Control. Now what line as it is not needed. Now again select the path. Use the follow me command and then select the surface. Now this way I can make it like an egg shape. And I can clear it. So this way you can use the follow me command to make a round surfaces and round figures in 3D in SketchUp.